Welcome back, financial enthusiasts! In this video, I'm thrilled to share a groundbreaking strategy that involves a free Google trick, promising a lucrative passive income stream. In this video, we'll dive into all the specific details of how you can potentially pocket $6,400 without spending a dime, without managing your own website, and without dipping into the often complex world of affiliate marketing. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill method. It's a tried and true approach that could redefine your financial journey. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Later on, I'll be sharing with you all a simple tip and trick into maximizing your earnings. So stay tuned, and I hope you gain some value from this video. Before I spill the beans on how to do this, drop a comment down below telling me your location, like I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Also, don't forget, I've got some bonus tips coming your way later that can help you rake in double or even triple the cash compared to others. So make sure you stick around and watch till the end. Now, let's get on to the good stuff in the video. Our expedition begins at news.google.com, a central hub for the latest and greatest news stories. Google News, a sophisticated news aggregator service, collates information from various categories, ensuring you're always in the know. The left-hand side menu offers a plethora of categories such as business, technology, entertainment, and more, laying the foundation for a potentially lucrative venture. Once you've landed on Google News, the next logical step is to navigate to the business section. This segment acts as a treasure trove of information, updating regularly with fresh articles every couple of hours. The true magic unfolds when you delve into these articles, extracting valuable content that becomes the cornerstone of your money-making strategy. Let's select the most recent article under the business section. You've got posts like one from an hour ago, another from 14 hours ago. You get the drill. Take your pick from any of these articles and use them to rake in some online dough. Let's say we're going with this one for now. Click on it and bam, you're on this page with the entire article. Now, make sure to pay close attention to what I'll do next. After you've found an article to use, the next step is to visit quillbot.com. This site is a versatile online tool that professionally rewrites and paraphrases all sorts of content. Whether it's an excerpt, a paragraph from a website, or if you generally just want to put your writing in better wording. You're gonna want to copy and paste your chosen article into Quillbot. But do take note that it has a word count limit if you don't have premium, so it's ideal to copy and paste the article paragraph by paragraph until it's written the entire thing. Make sure to have another tab open in Google Docs or open up Microsoft Word to save each paraphrased section of the article. Once copied and pasted in Quillbot, all you have to do is hit paraphrase and voila. You now possess a unique rephrased version ready for use. You can also switch between standard or fluency, depending on how you want your new article to sound like. Of course, with Quillbot Premium, you can gain access to all of their services such as these different modes. Do you remember that this process is not only seamless but also free? Offering a treasure trove of articles for your money-making endeavors. So with that out of the way, it's time to explore two potent avenues for turning your words into dollars. But hey, real quick before we get into our next platform. If you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video next week to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. Now, the first way is textbroker.com. It stands as a platform collaborating with major players like Yoast, Staples, and eBay. Here, you can earn for writing articles. But the twist is, you won't be doing the writing. As you're ready with your rephrased articles, you can effortlessly offer content on TextBroker and earn money for every 1,000 words. Let's go deeper into what textbroker.com has to offer. This website acts as a bridge between skilled writers and businesses in need of content. Renowned companies like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and more turn to TextBroker to fulfill their content needs. Unlike traditional freelance platforms where you might spend hours crafting articles from scratch, TextBroker simplifies the process. And here's the game changer. You won't have to write the articles yourself. Thanks to the free Google trick introduced earlier, you can source and rewrite existing articles effortlessly. TextBroker follows a transparent earning structure. Go ahead and jump into the payment section here and give that More Information button a tap. You'll get the lowdown on exactly how much cash you'll be pocketing. You're compensated based on the number of words you write. For instance, you can earn $50 for a 1,000-word article. The longer and more high-quality your articles, the more you stand to earn. It's a straightforward system designed to reward your writing efforts. TextBroker embraces a global approach. It doesn't matter which corner of the world you're in. TextBroker opens its doors to writers worldwide. This inclusivity ensures that regardless of your location, you can tap into the opportunities available on the platform. Getting started with TextBroker is a breeze. Just click on Sign Up Now for free, allowing you to create an account and explore the available opportunities. In the next screen, click on Sign Me Up as an author, then fill up your information in this author registration. This hassle-free onboarding process means you can quickly join the ranks of writers leveraging the site for financial gains. TextBroker caters to a diverse range of content requests, whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or specialized content. There's a broad spectrum of topics that you can choose from. This diversity ensures that your writing skills can find a match with the right kind of content request. One of the perks of using this platform is the assurance of steady payouts. As a writer, you can complete assignments and receive timely compensation for your efforts. This reliability is a key factor that has made TextBroker a preferred choice for writers seeking a dependable source of income. What do you think about TextBroker? Does this money-making method sound right up your alley? Let us know in the comment section. Now don't leave just yet. We still have one more method for you to try. The second way to make money using free articles is easy. Freelancing websites. Websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork, and much more open doors to a world where your rephrased articles can fetch you thousands. Unlike traditional freelancers who craft articles from scratch, your ability to deliver almost instantly positions you miles ahead. Clients value speed, and this advantage translates into more sales. Imagine doing this on multiple freelancing platforms. It will essentially increase your earnings. Head on over to Fiverr.com and throw in a search for article writing. You'll see a bunch of folks making easy money just by creating simple articles. You can witness the effectiveness of this approach through real success stories. For instance, an individual offers their service starting at $35 and has garnered 148 sales, resulting in a profit exceeding $5,180. Another charges $40 and has accumulated over 400 sales, while someone else with a $60 rate boasts 357 sales. These instances serve as concrete proof that individuals are generating real and significant earnings, reaching into the tens of thousands, by simply crafting straightforward articles. Also note that these achievements are on a single competitive freelancing platform, Fiverr. If you want to maximize your opportunities, it's strongly recommended to explore other freelancing websites as well. Now this is the tip and trick, because why just use one when you have the ability to use all of these platforms if you're given the time? That's the great thing about making money online. You're not just chained to one method, but have 100% free access to all. That's why here at Fortune Innovators, we aim to provide the best guides and methods to help you get a kickstart on your money-making journey. By strategically utilizing multiple freelancing platforms and consistently leveraging the power of this free Google trick, you're set for financial success. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss another helpful video to earn more. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll delve into additional strategies to maximize your online income in 2024. Remember, the online world is teeming with opportunities, and with the right knowledge, you can turn your aspirations into incredible results. Until next time, keep hustling and making that money.